Hyundai Kona.
Today we're introducing the 2022 Hyundai Kona. This particular model wrapped in a cyber silver for the length 165 inches, height 61 inches. You have a wheelbase of 102 inches with a ground clearance of 6.7 inches. Right here we're looking at a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder aka 4-banger pushing out 147 for the torque, 132 at 4,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 33 city, 28. Here's the sound of it. Right here we're looking at a 17-inch alloy wheel with disc brakes in all four corners. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black cloth seats. Right here we're looking at an analog digital display. On the left you have your RPM with your engine temp. On the right you have your gas gauge with your MPH. In the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you can go through your driving info, tension level, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. Now we're bringing it back to your leather wrapped steering where you have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. The buttons on the right side of the steering wheel are your interior dim, hill assist with your traction control. In the footwell you have your hood release. Looking down on the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. Right here we're looking at an 8-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Blue Link. You have your traditional radio shortcuts. Now we're bringing it down to your climate control. In the cubby area you have your two 12-volt outlets, USB alongside your wireless charging pad. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is an intelligent variable transmission. The buttons on the side of the shift knob are your drive mode, your heated seats with your auto stop feature. You have your cup holder area. Now we are making our way inside of the center console. On the rear view mirror you have your Blue Link, your compass alongside your SOS safety connect. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We also greeted with black cloth seats. Looking down on the door pane, you have your one-touch window control.